Another exciting course also, which is within the fourth industrial revolution, is cybersecurity. So as a cybersecurity analyst, a very necessary course that most organizations are seeking after, because all organizations are now technical and they have a lot of digital assets within the organization. So do not be intimidated by the name when it sounds like it's coming off of a sci-fi movie. But cybersecurity is basically you're the security of the organization. You're taking care or defending the digital assets. Could be the equipment, the data within the organization, the information that the organization has, and you're just making sure it's secure and no unauthorized people have access to it. In cybersecurity, there is what they refer to as the CIA triad, which is basically the confidentiality and the integrity and the availability of that information. That's basically what you are implementing as a cybersecurity analyst. You will learn about cybersecurity, an introductory topic, also the fundamentals of network security and defense, because you're also learning how to protect that information while it's in transit. So your cybersecurity course will be handling your network security as well, protecting the information as we exchange information online. As we can see now, we are making use of the network, and we would like for anything that we share online to be secure. No unauthorized people will be able to access whatever we are working on online. We also be learning about your cyber threats and attacks, the different kinds of threats that can be posed on any organization, different attacks. It could be viruses, it could be a distributed denial of service, it could be any kind of attack that an attacker can use. And also introduction to cybersecurity governance. Again, there's also some regulations that are part of environment and the industry of cybersecurity. I'm sure some of you are aware of things like the POPI Act, or those who work with your European clients like the GDPR. So these are some of the regulations that govern the cybersecurity space, and we'll be learning about that in the cybersecurity course. Also, fundamentals of design thinking and innovation. Nowadays we need to design things with the end user in mind. So we also implement that in cybersecurity. Also, logical thinking and basic calculations. We need to be logical thinkers when we are dealing with these kind of technologies. Also learning about computers, devices, and computing systems, data and database vulnerabilities. Most of our data is stored in databases. Most organizations have those file servers and the like, so we just need to keep them all secure as they are part of the organizational assets. And also an introduction to the fourth industrial revolution and future skills, just a basic overview of understanding what this new industrial revolution that we're in